The controversial businessman Tagwirei has been co-opted into the ZANU-PF Central Committee in a surprise move that has intensified speculation over his growing political clout and potential positioning as President Emmerson Mnangagwa's successor. Sarabira mashoko ari kubuda nyogwa zvinzi awa Tagwirei grabbed ZANU-PF Central Committee post amid succession speculation. Sarabira mashoko abuda nyogwa pana apa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mnau in a statement released on Wednesday, Zambia Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chinamasa, confirmed Tagwirei's elevation, describing it as a breath of fresh air for the party's fortunes in urban areas, particularly Harare. From being for a long time a dormant but committed ZANU-PF party cadre, loyally working quietly and outside the public limelight or glare, holding some low-ranking position in some ZANU-PF party district and Harare province. Your recent co-option into the ZANU-PF Central Committee is a breath of fresh air and will certainly be impactful to ZANU-PF political fortunes in Harare city and perhaps in other urban settings as well, Chinamasa said. The move is being read by insiders and analysts as a strategic shift that places Tagwirei, long considered a behind-the-scenes power broker, closer to the core of the ruling party's leadership, raising eyebrows within and outside the party. Chinamasa also warned of criticism and backlash likely to follow Tagwirei's appointment amid long-standing public scrutiny over the businessman's vast influence in the economy and his links to the state institutions. In quotes, "Welcome abroad, Comrade Tagwirei, and brace yourself to the fact that there will be malcontents out there who will pay for your blood and try to throw mud at you with a view to seeking to tarnish your reputation," said Chinamasa. In quotes, I know you are made of sterner stuff and that you can take any bricks, bets, and insults in your stride. As Tagwirei enters the political spotlight officially, questions now swell around whether his ascent signals deeper shifts within the ZANU-PF succession dynamics. Ndo mashoko aripo anova vanhu vakutotanga kutoona kuti aiwa Tagwirei manje akuchielevata kupresidency. Pinai comment section medu moti kudii pamusoro pe this political shift. Tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.